एसएस इनोवेशंस इंटरनेशनल ने एसएसआई मंत्रा द्वारा 100 टेली सर्जरी सफलतापूर्वक पूरी करने के साथ एक ऐतिहासिक उपलब्धि हासिल की है, जो उन्नत रोबोटिक और रिमोट सर्जरी में भारत के नेतृत्व को और मजबूत करती है। इस उपलब्धि के उपलक्ष्य में एसएस इनोवेशंस भारत की पहली मैराथन टेली सर्जरी का आयोजन करेगा, जिसमें एक ही दिन में 10 टेली सर्जरी की जाएंगी। यह स्वदेशी सर्जिकल रोबोटिक्स और टेली इन बिल्ट हेल्थ की वास्तविक दुनिया में व्यापकता, सुरक्षा और प्रभाव को प्रदर्शित करेगा।
This is just the beginning. And to mark this special occasion today, 25 plus telesurgeries will be performed during the course of the day. From right here in Gurugram to Puttaparthi, Hyderabad, Muradabad, Indore, Bhopal, and the longest one being Chennai, a distance of 2200 kilometers. Now this is we truly call a telethon. We have a lot of doctors joining us today. Of course, with us we have.
And today is a real special day. On Thursday, we were counting and we were at 99 telesurgeries, which in a very short time. And essentially, all were pretty much this year. At 25 today, there will be actually 125 cases by end of the day today. Now, just imagine that sometimes telesurgery gets a little bit hyped up, but look at the benefit. 25 patients are getting the best care from all the different experts, including cardiac surgery and urology, gynecology, general surgery, colorectal surgery. Literally sitting in their home, we can have another surgeon who has got either higher number or more expert and can give you the same care without you having to leave the hospital. And this has already happened, and this is why how all of these cases now that we have done, that really has been the process. Now we are actually going to be creating as we move forward, and please understand, these are launch baby steps that we undertake. And once the awareness increases, as I think is the purpose of even this press conference, really for awareness of the patient that these things actually can happen. So gradually, I think what will happen, it will filter down to areas whereby you don't have these large hospitals or experts available or robots available, and so gradually people will start to reach out to seek out such actually options, which is wonderful, and that really is the vision for us, to do not only telesurgery but also to go through this exercise to build the confidence. As Dr. Mohit Bhandari had mentioned, that yes, it is doable, it is safe, but that is most important, that surgeon is not there physically, but then no compromise occurs as far as the quality of the care is concerned. You need high-speed connectivity, so we have partnered with Airtel, and we have this fiber connection, which goes very fast. Actually, there is hardly any perceptible delay. And then, of course, we have surgical teams. We take this very seriously and very responsibly. So whenever we do telesurgery, the 100th cases, okay. And this is how we started literally on Thursday. And so I talked to my team, and as we can do, and then I did a Zoom call with a group of our physician champions, surgeon champs, who are robotic, wonderful surgeons, and tremendous successful what they've done telesurgery.
Because that market is increasing like anything. तो उसमें फिर robots के लिए कोई problem ही नहीं रहेगा.
डॉक्टर
बेटर कर सकते हैं पुराने प्लेटफॉर्म से कंपैरिजन. एंड ये एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन था शिफ्ट करने के लिए. प्रीवियसली माय पेशेंट्स यूज्ड टू कम and ask me, sir, robotic surgery कर दीजिए. So I had a 250 kilo patient. 250 kilo patient में if you have a robot के arm strong होते हैं तो आपके हाथ पे जोर नहीं आता. You can cut the stomach and bypass. But when we used to say 6 लाख 8 लाख रुपए लगेगा, they used to run away. They said sir नहीं कराएंगे, and they used to do laparoscopically जिसमें complication होते थे. आज हम 2 से 2.5 लाख रुपए उनको सर्जरी ऑफर कर रहे हैं. We have a waiting list. Patients are rushing towards us. The insurance companies are happy that for once we are not exploiting.
Thanks to Mantra.
Thanks to Mantra. That's what I'm saying. So this is what he correctly said. Telesurgery will not only democratize surgery for poor patients, but also for training other surgeons. आज अगर मुझे किसी सर्जन को ट्रेन करना है टू हैव अ डुअल कंसोल, इट्स सच अ डिफिकल्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, इतना कॉस्टली है. बट नाउ दे हैव मेड इट सो चीप. वी कैन ट्रेन सर्जन्स फ्रॉम एनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. If they have a SSI system there, I can sit here and train the surgeon there. So, you know, it's both the ways. The second was a proof of concept. We have done 25 surgeries since morning, not a single failure. Please note everybody, not a single failure. The exact lag which we got recorded is 12 milliseconds, which is not perceptible to human eyes. It's a proof of concept that 25 telesurgeries from SSI headquarters to across the country has been done without a single surgery.
Mangalasana is a chair and is like a screen. We have this specs and through this by 3D vision we can clearly do surgery like we are in our OT. And this is very different feeling. And I am sitting in Sir Dr. Smith Joseph chamber, and I am operating in Bangalore, Purthavarthi. And there is no screen at all, only by this specs, this 3D specs connecting, and by this robotic chair. I did my case, and I think this was a very great, it's good for me, good for patient, good for Rajasthan. And we are the first one who did robotic heart surgery in Rajasthan. And we are now doing the maximum number of cases in robotic heart surgery in North India. And this is all about Sir. He helped us. And SSI mantra is actually very easy. If any surgeon have a good exposure or good experience in minimal invasive surgery, it's very easy to learn robotic things. So it's very easy for surgeon also and very beneficial for patient.
A comment on